Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because it's been a long time since I've done a hair review, but I just brought DHair on Black Friday. So I'm going to give you all the specs and just kind of go right into it. But before I do, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and let me know what you think about the hair because I will be doing everything to it. It's my first, I guess you say, real big girl luxury hair. Because she's happy here, their bundles are getting thinner and I just really don't like the thin look. So the specs, I got 324 of their Raw Malaysian hair, and I got a 16-inch raw wavy closure. They don't have, to me, their closures don't really match with a lot of the hair that they have, but it still kind of blends well from what they say, so I guess we'll figure that out. But first and foremost, the shipping and ordering on Black Friday. So Black Friday was their best sale. The hair was $95 a bundle. Originally, without any sale, I put everything in the cart and it was $635, I want to say. I got it for $380. And no, $390. That was including the shipping. So that's a huge sale. That's almost a little bit more than 50% off. So it's definitely worth it to do Black Friday. Cyber Monday, the hair went up $5. And their closures are originally $165, and they had it on sale on Black Friday for $95. So it's a huge sale. I would definitely suggest getting their hair only when they have sales because it's super expensive without their coupon. I ran into so many issues, so did everyone else with their Black Friday. So number one, their site crashed when the sale was supposed to start. I just don't honestly think, since I have my own website, I know if you don't upload the stuff soon enough and make sure it works, you don't necessarily have to publish, but at least work out the kinks yourself before you make it go live. It can help a lot. I think that they did a lot of stuff last minute, which is why their site kind of crashed because they had way too many people on it at once. And also the prices didn't upload as well. It took a long time for me to get in contact with somebody, and I'm still not fully in contact, but I have spoken with a few people and I got their names. So hopefully they can give me the difference back for the closure because they still charged me full price for the closure. And with that, I ended up paying $470, which was still a lot cheaper than what it normally would be. So I'm not 100% tripping, but I want my money back. So I'm still working on that, but I just feel like they were really overwhelmed, but they handled it the best that they could. Let me see, I ordered it that Friday. I got the hair yesterday, and yesterday was Thursday. Yesterday was Friday, my bad. So I ordered it last Friday, so it took about a week to get in. It should have taken a lot sooner, but like I said, I think that they just had way too many orders, so it was a lot for them to handle. But I've heard a lot of good things about their customer service, and the people are really sweet that I spoke to on the phone, so I'm not too worried about it. But it came with UPS, and y'all, look at the box. Look at this, like, honey, this is beautiful. I was thinking about ordering like a hair protector to put the hair in after I take it out. I'm gonna just put it back in this beautiful box. So I have not opened it. So you all are seeing it for the first time, just like I'm seeing it for the first time. So let's go ahead and get started. This is what the hair looks like on the inside. So as you can see, y'all, I have not opened this at all. So I'm super excited. Yeah, so I paid $470. The shipping is $20. The hair came out to just the bundles for 24-inch, $285, which is super cheap. So it has this in here. It has a hair care pamphlet. Y'all, this is my cousin Bianca's line sister, and this is how I actually found out about the hair because I ended up following her because of my cousin. And then I realized, oh snap, like I've never heard of this hair before. And in the past, like for prom, I wore weave and it was Malaysian and it matched my hair so perfectly. So when I looked on their Instagram, their hair just really looked thick and full, and that's what drew me to them. And I was like, if I ever get hair, I want it to be that hair. So this is Hello Beautiful. I don't know what this is. This feels like the closure. I like how they perfectly wrapped it for you. That's so beautiful. No hair can compare is what it says on the inside. So the closure, y'all, this is really big. Okay, this is a 5x5, so it's not a traditional 4x4, and they do wash it. So this is what the closure looks like. It doesn't really match my skin tone. I will have to probably go in and customize it a little bit. It's a little bit darker than me, almost greenish, but apparently they do wash the hair before they give it to you. And this looks kind of black, so I will be dyeing this hair, by the way. My mom will be dyeing it, but it's super soft. This does look like it came out of somebody's head. I think I see some gray hairs in here. That's why I'm looking at it so hard. But if it did, shoot, at least I know it came out of somebody's auntie's head. But y'all, it looks like it's kind of pretty much already plucked. I wish I could see it a little bit better. But I will go in and kind of thin it out a little bit. But this is a really big closure. Like, you could do a lot with this. You could probably do a side part and a regular part. Yeah. So yeah, you probably could do a side part with this and a middle part. And I'm glad it doesn't come with a definite middle part already. So now that, let me put this back nicely. And y'all, it's so thick. This is 16 inches, by the way. This is a 16-inch closure. But this looks a lot longer. I don't know, but it looks a lot longer to me. Then the bundles already feel thick. Yes, y'all, this feels so heavy. Like, oh, your girl is so excited. I'm just excited, y'all. Oh, snap, so they package theirs real different. This is the hair. Ooh, yes, honey. Yes. Y'all, it do have some gray hairs in it. They really shaved this out of somebody's head. And it smells like the shampoo I use, like store shampoo. I don't really know how to describe it, y'all, but it smells like they legit washed this. So it's not 100%. Yeah, y'all, it got gray hair. It don't stink. It smells beautiful, by the way. And it just feels like my hair. Like, oh my God. Y'all, I'm so happy. This was so worth the investment. Like, so they don't have theirs packaged up like bundles, like, you know, in that big old circle or whatever. But this is kind of what it looks like. So this looks like it could be about 2 tracks right here. And I don't like for my hair to be ridiculously thick because my head is big. So you always have to like take into account when you braid it up. If your braids are super thick, then it'll make it lift up right here. I don't like all of that. So I think I will use the full 3 bundles because it's about average. This is so pretty though. This is in its natural state, and I've seen them color it and do all kind of stuff. So yeah, this 24 inches, well, I guess because it's in its natural state, it's not that long, but I'm putting it kind of like at the back where my mom would probably start, and she's the one who's installing it, by the way. She's the one who did my curls. And I'll post her website down below. Yeah, I'm glad I got the 24, y'all. I'm for real glad I got the 24 because I wanted it to be super long, kind of down to my butt. You know, I want to be slaying for my birthday. So initially my friend was like, no, get the 22 because 24 can look kind of stripperish, but I'm taller than her. She's like 5'1", I'm 5'4", and they don't have 26 inches in this hair. The day before they actually sold out of the 24, so I was going to get another texture. And I'm not experiencing any shedding either. And my hands just, y'all, your friend, oh yes, honey, look, y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Okay, yeah, they legit took this out somebody's head. Yeah, the wefts sewn on a little differently. Yeah, they cut this out somebody's head for real. They really went to Malaysia for this one. It even got like real gray hair. This is somebody auntie hair, y'all. Thank you, whoever's aunt this is. You are super blessed, super blessed. It feels super soft. The ends don't look terrible. Like, I like how it's kind of thick all the way down. But I'm super happy with this. Like, this is some really beautiful hair. If I did need another bundle, then I'll probably wait until Christmas or New Year's to get another one. And that way I can sew it in and do that or whatever. But I'm not experiencing any shedding. Oh, I got one hair. Just one. That's it. That's all. Just one hair. I'm super happy. But yeah, let me know. I will be keeping you all updated. I'll probably be installing it soon after we dye it. So I'm dyeing it a copper color. I'm going to test out one strand just to see how I do. And then after that, I'll be installing it and stuff like that. And I will be filming all the way. That way you all can keep in touch with how this hair works out for me. But thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna just keep petting this luxurious hair. This feel like a smooth washed dog, but better, like, you know, the pretty little dogs like a lab. It just feel like soft, like, okay, I'm done. But yeah, I'll definitely be sure to keep you all updated. See you all later.